Welcome to this video, where I will guide you on how to give storage permission to the Viber app on your Android phone. This permission is important because it allows Viber to access your media files, such as photos and videos, enabling you to send and receive them. First, locate the Viber app icon on your Android phone. Once you find it, press and hold the icon until a menu appears. Next, tap on the option labeled App Info to open the app's settings. After that, tap on the Permissions option, which will display a list of all permissions that Viber can request. Next, look for Storage in the list of permissions. Tap on Storage to open the options for managing storage access. Here, you will see choices like Deny, Allow access to media only, Choose, Allow access to media only to grant Viber permission to access your photos, videos, and other media files without giving it full access to all files on your device. Finally, exit the settings and open Viber to ensure it now has the necessary permissions. This will enable you to share media files easily through the app,